subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched two new mid-range phones under F series in India called Oppo F19 Pro and Oppo F19 Pro Plus. Both of these devices looks quite similar, but it has some changes in terms of specifications. And among these two, the Oppo F19 Pro Plus is the higher variant with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo F19 Pro Plus features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports a hole punch at the top left corner that carries an 16-megapixel selfie camera with f2.4 aperture. At the back, the phone features a quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture, plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view, plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel portrait sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Under the hood, the Oppo F19 Pro Plus comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset paired with Mali G57 MC3 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 4310 mAh battery that supports 50W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.1 by 73.4 by 7.8mm and it weighs around 173 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo F19 Pro Plus has been priced in India at 25,990 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in fluid black and space silver color options, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 17th. So what do you guys think of this Oppo F19 Pro Plus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.